Grand Rising, everybody. We're going to be pulling the energy for the collective, some Moon Rising in Venus. If it does not resonate with you, please don't try to make it resonate. Please, please, please don't try to make it resonate, okay? Please press the like, share, and subscribe button. Y'all know I need my glasses. Let's see what's going on with the collective, huh? Oh, wow. You had the Seven of Pentacles. You have the Temperance card. Ooh, these are jumping out. You have the King of Wands, the Magician, and then you have the Four of Pentacles. Okay, so what I can see is, let's see, with the Seven of Pentacles, and then you got the Four of Pentacles. You know, it was hard for you to, the money wasn't coming in quick enough for you, all right? So you done worked hard, and you worked hard to receive your money, all right? It was just like, you was like, damn. But guess what? Once you receive money, you started saving your money, which is good, because you know you want to move forward from that, all right? This Temperance card, your life about to be balanced out, all right? Your life is going to be balanced with this King of Wands, baby, because you're an entrepreneur, okay? And you know how to use your tools. All right, so after you became within your spirituality, you understood how to make this money that was coming in slow. You knew how to make it come in fast, honey. The angels was there to balance it out for you because you are an entrepreneur. Good for you.